Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have something truly special to talk about: the BOUQUET Garni Dress Perfume in Green Grape. This isn't just your ordinary perfume. It's a game-changer in the world of fragrances. Get ready to discover the best, long-lasting perfume on the market. I'm your host, and let's dive right into it. Here it is, the BOUQUET Garni Dress Perfume in Green Grape. This fragrance is not just any perfume. It's a unique blend of elegance, longevity, and innovation. But before we get into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about what makes this perfume stand out. BOUQUET Garni's Green Grape fragrance originates from the picturesque southern France provinces, offering a tropical and citrusy scent that's like a breath of fresh air. The promise here is simple: to fill your daily life with joy through a plentiful fruity fragrance. The scent. It's not just about smelling good, it's about smelling great. The Green Grape fragrance has a long-lasting, rich aroma achieved through their unique fragrance decanting engineering method. Comparable to eau de toilette, it stays with you for 3 to 5 hours, making it an excellent replacement for traditional perfume. But wait, there's more. This perfume is not just about smelling delightful, it's also about practicality. It has an effective odor-removing effect that can instantly transform unpleasant clothing into something fresh and new. It's like a magic wand for your wardrobe, helping maintain a clean and pleasant environment. What sets this perfume apart is its use of plant-based ethanol instead of methanol, which can be safer for your skin and the environment. Plus, it's certified for the prevention of static electricity, making it safe to use on various fabrics. And here's the cherry on top. BOUQUET Garni stands by the quality of their product with a 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee. If you experience any skin troubles within 1 month of use, they promise a full refund. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what other customers have to say about this fantastic perfume. There you have it, folks. The BOUQUET Garni Dress Perfume in Green Grape is a fragrance like no other. It offers a long-lasting, fresh, and delightful scent while also taking care of those pesky odors. Plus, it's safe and ethical. If you're looking for the best, long-lasting perfume on the market, this is it. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Click the link in the description below to get your very own BOUQUET Garni Dress Perfume in Green Grape and experience the difference. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, this is Your Name, signing off from Product Critique. Stay fabulous.